this module, we will discuss safety distances. It is very important to know and respect safety distances when working in a high-voltage environment. Any violation can have fatal consequences. When we talk about safety distances, we talk about the distance from the nearest exposed conductor not earthed, or from an insulator supporting an exposed conductor, which shall be maintained to avoid danger. The safety distance varies depending on the voltage, and you will learn the specific distances. We will also cover the specific challenges when working with long objects and vehicles near energized equipment.
Click Next to continue.
Low voltage is defined as below 1000 volt AC or 1500 volt DC. It is needed to maintain a safe distance of no less than half a meter to exposed energized parts in front of an open low voltage installation. This is the safety distance for exposed low voltage conductors. In order to control the electrical hazards in the vicinity of energized parts, protection shall be provided by either screens, barriers, enclosure or insulating covering and tools. For high voltage, it is needed to maintain a safe distance as per the below table to exposed energized parts in front of an open high voltage installation. The table shows the safety distance for exposed high voltage conductors. In order to control the electrical hazards in the vicinity of exposed parts, protection shall be provided by either screens, barriers, enclosure, or insulating covering and tools.
Click Next to continue.
But how can energized conductors and insulators then be approached? Access to any equipment containing exposed energized conductors must be controlled by a senior authorized person or authorized person using the approved procedure. Only approved insulated devices are permitted to approach exposed conductors within the approved safety distances. This rule also applies to the insulators that support the conductors. Persons shall not allow any part of their body, tools, or other equipment to approach exposed conductors closer than the approved safety distances. This also applies to the insulators supporting such conductors. In general, safety distances apply until the exposed conductor is proven de-energized and a safety document is issued. Click Next to continue. Sometimes it is necessary to work with long objects or vehicles near energized equipment. Examples of long objects are ladders, scaffold poles, conductive ropes, and temporary fencing, while vehicles used include cars, vans, cranes, mobile elevated work platforms, and so on. Both long objects and vehicles must be controlled in order to avoid infringement of safety distances. The movement routes must always be specified and supervised by the senior authorized person or authorized person, while all vehicle operators must be trained and hold a personal authorization as a minimum. It must be noted there is an exception and details can be obtained from the site Senior Authorized Person. The senior authorised person or authorised person and the Ørsted trained competent person may agree that a safety observer is needed to assist in ensuring the safe movement of long objects or vehicles within a defined area of usage. The safety observer, who will be placed there to provide additional supervision, will then be selected by the senior authorised person or authorised person. The senior authorised person or authorised person will also decide at which point the field equipment earths must be fitted to bond all objects to Earth. Click Next to continue.